afternoon everyone. Myself Preeti Sharma, student of the Philpott School from class 8. Here I am to discuss about why should we learn English, why English is important for us. So now I am going to tell you something related to that. English is the most indispensable subject for us. In this competitive era, English become the importance of our life. Because as we all know, here everything is now from English. If we learn English, then we realize that we can understand what is going on. So learning English is very important. It is not necessary that if you are going abroad, then you need to learn English. It is not compulsory for us. It does not mean that if we are going to abroad or we need a good job, then we need to learn English. No, English shows your quality. English shows your profession, that yeah, you are a student, you are related to West Bengal. It shows that because you are in English medium school, our parents admit us in English medium school. Why? For learning English. But as we all know, now the teachers are not engaged to learn English. They are not teaching us English. They are thinking English medium school means that the subject should be in English. The social science, the history, these all subjects should be in English. No, this is not the actual mean of learning English. The actual mean of learning English is to clarify the English. If you know how to speak English, if you know what are the words and why should we speak English, then it means that yeah, you are a student of English medium school. You are able to grasp all the words related to English. If someone is from foreign or someone needs your help in English, then you will be able to help him. You will feel proud in yourself that you are an ideal citizen of this country and you are able to speak in English. It is not necessary that for a good job we will learn English. No, English does not mean that it is only a subject. Not for learning, not for mugging that. We should not mug the English. Because English is not a learning matter. It is one thing that we can understand it. We should involve it in our daily activities. We should involve in our life. We should think that as we learn English, as we learn Hindi, as we know Hindi, we usually used to speak in Hindi at our home with our friends, that's all. So in that manner, we should think that we can speak English in that manner also. Very fluently you can speak in English. English is not a hard subject. If you are thinking that I'm speaking in English, so I'm very literate student, I'm very excellent student, it does not mean. It does not mean that if you are weak in other subjects like math and science, so you are also weak in English. English is a subject, I accept it. But grammar is not a subject. It is one thing that you can involve in your daily life. Learning grammar is very easy. Just grasp it clearly. And for that, you need a good teacher. You need a good mentor for yourself to learn English. English is not any hard subject. It does not mean that if the competitor knows English, then you will fail from him. No. For learning English, we just need a good mentor, good institutor, good teacher for us. Then English is very easy. And I would like to say about my teacher, who just gave me this idea to speak in English. Now I am before you all. I am able to speak in English. Why is it so? Not for this because I had mugged this paragraph. I had not mugged it. I am just expressing my feeling to you. Because I am an ideal citizen of the country. And I want that all the Indian people should know English. No one can say that they are Indian, they don't know English. Who are they? No, we should make our profession like that everyone should feel proud of it. I am a student, that's why I want that I should give this all ideas to you. I should advise you that how to learn English. So I just want to tell about myself that how I learned English. Who teach me English? I have a good mentor, I have a good teacher for myself, that he gave me ideas. Initially I was thinking that English is very hard subject. Learning English was out of my mind. I was not able to understand any word of the English. But my teacher, my sir, my one and only Umesh sir, he advised me, he understood me, he clarified me that Preeti, it is not any hard subject. Just grasp all the words as a just rhyme. We can understand. My Umesh, I am really feeling glad. I am thankful to my God that He gave me such a parents who gave me Umesh sir. And I am able to speak in English. I am really feeling proud to myself that I am able to advise you all. So I just want to say you all that if you really want to learn English, if you want that you would become also a good speaker like me, then please join the Philpott School and just join